Aircrafts can fly with an engine failure, but a fire in an engine is a completely different story. Unfortunately, that is exactly how our countdown begins today. From helicopters tangled in deadly power lines to commercial jets smashing into the runway during a massive typhoon, aviation leaves absolutely zero room for error. Whether it's a pilot coming in too hot in Russia, turning a routine landing into an accidental wing demolition, or an absolute amateur showing off their new license, human mistakes are caught on camera everywhere. Today, we are stripping away the comfort of the cabin to look at the most shocking plane crashes, structural failures, and unforgivable pilot mistakes ever caught on tape. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. Aircrafts can fly with music and engine failure, but a fire in an engine is another story. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened here.
I think it's gonna crash, bro. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Holy sh**. Bro,
This guy proved that sometimes the best seat on the plane is the one that can leave it.
Саша, текай быстрее! Ой, Саша, бегом! Люди, здесь нет никого!
Helicopter versus power lines. And power lines win every time.
Ёб твою мать! Ёб твою мать! Охуеть! Ёб твою мать!
Midway through flight in Hawaii, both engines failed. The pilots pulled off a textbook water landing. Everyone survived thanks to quick thinking and calm under pressure. The pilot probably got a solid headache after this one, but the rescuer that's about to arrive probably got a bigger one. Helicopter rotor versus garage. A matchup that was over pretty quickly. And this is what happens when the fully loaded jet hits the ground. This is what they call a graveyard stall in the aviation community. When your neighbor shows off their new private plane.
Get them now! Move!
This happened in Russia when the pilot came in a bit too hot, turning a routine landing into an accidental wing demolition. Luckily, no one was injured. This plane flew in a loop to test the aircraft's limits. But timing, speed, and G-forces make it risky if not done correctly. Landing gear gone. No problem. The pilot's still rolling with the front wheel. Sometimes improvisation is just part of the job. And that ejection button just got a big bonus. Guess the pilot really wanted to be a stunt pilot and not a commercial one. During this airshow, a pilot lost control of his plane due to poor maintenance, sending it into a terrifying, uncontrollable spin. It's a stark reminder that in aviation, even a few overlooked issues can turn the sky into a very dangerous place.
Totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay.
In the Philippines, this plane's right engine completely failed during takeoff. Fortunately, the pilot reacted quickly and aborted just in time, proving that sometimes the best takeoff is no takeoff at all. This plane landed right in the middle of a typhoon. You can see the left engine smashing into the ground, almost turning it into a giant firework. This guy was showing off his newly acquired pilot's license to his close friends, and let's just say that he should probably go back to the academy.
I hit the bump. Ow! Oh, I knew it.
Air shows are a chance for pilots to show off their skills, and unfortunately, where many planes meet an early retirement. Luckily, in this case, the pilot got out just in time.
Please remain calm.
Right after takeoff,
this
this
plane's
plane's right engine started spewing flames.
Can you guess
what this is called?
Only
Only
true aviation fans know the answer. Don't you worry, passengers. One extremely hard and bumpy landing coming right up. DHL delivering packages like it's auditioning for the Fast and the Furious. Everything seems calm until a surprise gust of wind turns this pilot into an unplanned decorator, sending the aircraft straight into the hangar deck. Sometimes pilots think landing nose first will look cool, but in reality, it usually sounds better than it actually is. During a helicopter landing in Utah, one shopper picked up so much snow that it blinded the other pilot, making landing early impossible and ultimately causing a crash. Proof that even snow can be a serious co-pilot.
Oh, that one just crashed. Holy sh**, just crashed. I know.
This retiring plane was hit with hurricane winds and almost went for one last flight. One student pilot, one malfunction, and a landing that's guaranteed to be me.
Oh my God.
Call 911. Yeah. Call 911.
From the terrifying graveyard stalls to a retired officer destroying his own retirement package in a stolen helicopter. One thing is clear, the sky rewards discipline and brutally punishes arrogance. But right after takeoff, that plane's right engine started spewing flames. Only true aviation fans can guess what that specific phenomenon is called. Drop your answers in the comments below if you survived this compilation.